The best way to live life, something everyone with a functioning brain is searching for, is actually so well hidden in the most popular game in the world that it absolutely fulminated my mind, because mind blowing up is very unoriginal. Do you know how long your life will be? Well, nobody does. And that makes this lovely old life of ours uncertainly long yet limited. And that feels like a negative truth of life. And that's not the case. This life having this unknown length but definite end actually makes it beautiful. Say you drank a weird looking juice a 47-year-old stranger in a red jacket and a goatee gave you, and it turned out to be a potion from the fairy tale land of fairyland. And it stopped your age at 25, and you couldn't be unalived by any means. Then you or I or anyone else wouldn't give this life our all. And at some point, even emotions would become meaningless. Obviously, I'm not saying life is just about working, but giving it our all means trying to make life what we think will be the best. But coming back to the example, after decades and centuries of seeing everything would become valueless. But right now, we have got a reason to keep going, to live in the moment and cherish every day. But the reasons people use to keep going in today's world is both stupid and dangerous. Everyone thinks the best way to live is to keep an aim in sight and keep moving towards it. And that makes your life meaningful. But then they put up all the exceptions, the buts. Aim for your goal, but keep your health in focus. Work hard, but keep engaging in hobbies that you find fun. Be absolutely productive, but don't forget to take breaks. Do you actually think after so many exceptions, this is actually the best path? The belief of life being a race or a marathon seems kind of stupid considering the fact that one of the best things you can do in this little life of ours is to sit on top of a hill or by a lake and just cherish the moment and enjoy the peace. Break wood by our hand and defeat a dragon that has a gazillion undernourished followers? Well, if you didn't know, we actually don't have the ability to do that. But we still can live the Minecraft way. This came to my mind when I was thinking about why Minecraft is so timeless and valuable. And that is because of the fact that it never ends. There are little objectives everywhere, but everything is optional. Seems like a very beautiful metaphorical depiction of life to me. But the main factor that makes me say Minecraft teaches us the best way to live is actually something else. And please don't watch this through like some philosophical bullshit and at the end go, "Oh, that was nice," and move on. Write down what you want to take away and try to make this damn life of yours the best possible, bro. And if not the best possible, at least make it a bit better. There's nothing wrong with consuming, but don't you fall into mindless consumerism. You deserve better. Pick up a notebook, please. Alright, why does someone play Minecraft? Not for an objective to finish it, but just to play. Also, I actually wasn't playing, that was just dramatic recreation. Anyways, let's alt F4 close this game and wake up to reality. Say, you moved forward with a goal in your mind, and that goal gave the basic meaning to your life. What happens after you achieve it? Suddenly, everything becomes purposeless. Yeah, you can keep running after new aims, but there will be periods in your life where you don't have any aim and life feels meaningless. And there's nothing worse than that. Also, this constant search for new peaks as soon as you climb one seems more like a way to distract yourself. Distract yourself from something that you'll have to face as soon as you halt this climbing. And this thing is the reality of life. Its meaninglessness, its futility, our limit to the good we can do, and the repercussions of our actions, and a lot more philosophical shit. Alan Watts, a writer and a respectable thinker, said, and I'm not quoting this to look smart or something, I'm trying to give you a beautiful perspective I found. The existence in the physical universe is playful. There is no necessity for it. It isn't going anywhere. That means this world and living in it is a playful experience. The kind of playing where there is no other objective but to play. Survival isn't a necessity, but something we come into this world valuing highly. And there is no innate or natural objective to our life, rather than living itself. The definition and reason to live has to be given by us. And if we don't, we'll inherit one from our parents or society or the people around us. The best way we can define life is our music. The violin or the piano is played, not worked upon. What is the point of playing the piano or attending a piano performance? It is not for us to hear a certain note being played or for it to end. It is to enjoy and cherish it for the uncertain amount of time it keeps going for. You are there just to be. You don't want it to end, but you accept the fact that it will. People go through this chasing for the next peak for their entire life. First, it's getting through school, then college, then getting a job, then gathering up money to fulfill their materialistic desires. And then comes a day where society hasn't got anything for them to do because they have fulfilled the script society gave them for living an ideal life. And at that point comes a crisis, whether midlife or at any other age. We get stuck in the chaos of reaching a point, not realizing life was a beat and we were meant to dance. Dance in the way where you're not there to reach a certain step, but just to dance. By the way, I hate dancing, so now you know why Minecraft shows us the best way to live. You play just to play, not to win. Anyways, it's damn time to make your life the best it can be. And if you ever feel intimidated, don't worry, you've got an ally. This is such a weird shot, bro. But anyways, I haven't played any video games for over an year now. But still, there's always to learn something from virtually anything. Also, YouTube's algorithm is so weird, bro. It's recommending these videos to the opposite people it's actually meant for. I don't even know when these videos will actually reach the people who value this. But we just gotta keep going, don't we? Anyways, bye.